Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're as excited about the latest iPhone releases as we are, then you're going to love today's review. We've got the genuine Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max in all its glory, complete with 128/256/512 GB of storage, 6 GB of RAM, and the powerful A14 chip. And let's not forget about the stunning 6.7 Retina OLED display, Face ID technology, and unlocked 5G capabilities. But before we dive into the specs, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about the options available for this incredible phone. You can choose from the standard package, which includes just the phone and manual book, or you can opt for the bundle that includes a 20W PD charger or even 2 chargers plus a wireless charger. The choice is yours, but no matter what you choose, you'll be getting a top-notch phone that's 98% new and in excellent condition. And for those of you who are particular about the color of your phone, fear not, with our unlimited color option, we'll select the best condition and quality phone for you, regardless of the color. Now, you might be wondering about accessories. While the standard package doesn't include a power adapter or earpods, it does come with a USB-C to Lightning cable for fast charging and compatibility with USB-C power adapters and computer ports. Plus, as a free gift, you'll receive a silicone case and a screen protector. But here's the best part: if you purchase through the link in the description, you'll not only be getting your hands on this amazing phone, but you'll also be supporting our channel. It's a win-win, so, what are you waiting for? Treat yourself to the latest and greatest from Apple and upgrade to the iPhone 12 Pro Max today. Don't forget to click the link in the description to make your purchase. And as always, thank you for tuning in. Happy shopping!